definitely larger than Native American male. Is it Joseph? No. Joseph.
What's going on?
Hey. One of our officers saw you on the camera smoking meth in the.
I wasn't smoking no meth, I was just walking through.
Well, they called out your exact description, so you're just going to be detained right now, okay?
I didn't do nothing.
Okay, can you go ahead and put your hands behind your back, please?
Yeah, I didn't do nothing.
Can you just go ahead and put your...
No, can I get some help? No, what did I do wrong? What am I going to?
Detained, put your hands on your back. It's okay.
What am I going to, Lex?
Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do wrong?
If you put your hands behind your back, we can tell you.
Come on, get the wall.
What the am I going to, man?
Now. Seven's on one central male, northbound Broward Valley. Punch two officers in the face. Yeah, we're good.
You good?
Yeah. Let's get it. He's running towards the Salvation Army lot right now. The American Royal, light blue jeans, dark blue tank top, and long hair. West side of Salvation Army. I'm gonna focus you looking right now. Northbound behind Salvation Army west side. Put your hands in the air now! Stop! One at Taste Point, north side Salvation Army. Ma'am, back up now! Get on the ground! Get your arms out in front of you. Behind you. Put your hands behind the small of your back right now.
How can we cover?
Give me your arm. Let go of the handcuff. Fargo 771, says you're 1 male 83. Throw my way. Check the sides here.
The chief of police. I was wondering if I was doing an investigation.
Push a damn officer, man.
I did. He was a traitor. He wasn't an officer.
You want to glove up real quick?
I'm the chief of police.
Let's sit him up. Sit up, man. Bring your knees to your chest.
He's illegally detaining me. I'm undercover.
Get up.
I'm undercover.
Get your knees up now. I don't give a damn. You're undercover.
I'm undercover.
Sit up.
You want a 600?
Let me get this for you.
746. I'm sure you don't need a 600 right now. .746 to the Zebra unit.
Stand up. 1, 2, 3.
On the north side of Salvation Army.
I'm the chief of police. I'm being illegally detained.
10-4.
I order all the chief of police under investigation on why I'm arrested.
3 counts of assault on a peace officer now. Good, no sir. Take a seat.